everyone, it's Kows. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 quick and simple turban tutorials. So let's get into it. So basically what I did was I put my hair in a bun and I used a scrunchie. The scrunchie part is optional, but if you do want some more volume, I do suggest it. So I have my scarf placed on my head. It's folded in half and I'm using a jersey material. So I'm going to take my equal sides and tie a knot in the back. Alright, so once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take both sides and bring it to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and just twist it, twist and pull, and tie a knot. Alright, so there you go. That is the first turban tutorial. It's really easy, it's simple. Honestly, it doesn't take that much work, but I love it. It's really chic at the same time. So let's get into the second style. So for the second style, I did the same thing. The scarf is placed on my head. It's folded in half, but instead of having 2 equal sides, one is longer than the other. I'm gonna tie a knot in the back, pull it, take the longer side, and just flip that over. Yeah, and there you go. So yeah, that is my 2 quick turban tutorials. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, because I can't wait to do some more for you guys. Let me know if you do try it, because I really want to know how it turns out. Thank you guys so much. Till next time, bye guys.